Today, the old financial order is fracturing. Trust is expensive. Oversight has turned into overreach. Privacy is vanishing. And the sovereignty of real economies has long been systemically stripped away. But on the blockchain, a new possibility is taking root. It is driven by consensus, forged by protocol, and carried by civilization. We call it the Origin Digital Civilization Trilogy. Origin, Awakening, Eternity. From the first spark to sovereign awakening to protocol eternity, Origin is the path toward digital self-sovereignty for humankind. In a world where everything is programmable, Origin sparked the first institutional fire. The launch of LGNS bond incentives drew participants into a chain-based economic loop, embedding incentive mechanisms and supply-demand logic into protocol code. Lines of code evolved into an early form of economic order. This was the genesis of the crypto world, a foundational layer of civilization forged by a network of believers. The awakening of civilization is not conquest, it is awareness. Once the incentive flywheel turned and the economic core stabilized, Origin entered its second chapter, awakening. Here, sovereignty rises and privacy reclaims its place. Users are no longer passive participants. They become the authors of their own assets, identities, and data destinies. The A-stable currency launches, anchoring value beyond the US dollar. The A-Pay system goes live, enabling borderless, permissionless, unfreezable anonymous payments. LGNS bonds continue to fuel the economy in a closed, sustainable cycle. DAO governance evolves into the signer mechanism, replacing vote thresholds with protocol participation rights. This is the true entrance to the ecosystem. It's a time of application rollout, identity awakening, and sovereign reconstruction. We are no longer users. We are signers of the system, builders of consensus. When the ecosystem begins